Dear Klaus, it is your future me.
Dear 23 season me.
Dear pre-season self.
Dear younger me.
Hello little Sammy.
Dear Thomas.
Hello you.
Dear 2023 Jakob.
Dear younger me.
Hey you.
Hey clueless fool from a year ago. Buckle up, because it's gonna be a wild year.
I'm sitting here in February 2025 and writing you about the last season. Just a little heads up. 1 overall win, 3 podiums, and world ranking P2 will wait for you at the end of the season.
You can dream about the things that are going to happen. You don't know it yet, but you have a great time ahead of you.
The 2024 season is going to be intense.
This year will be different. Better in some ways, worse in others.
You did not want to be in this position at first.
Why the heck was I chosen?
You're probably nervous and a little unsure if you have what it takes.
But you will handle it, and it's going to be totally worth it in the end.
You're confident, it's gonna skyrocket like an overcharged battery, but in a good way.
There will be moments when you feel left alone and overwhelmed.
But you're not alone.
There will be many ups and downs during the season.
I'm not going to lie. It's going to be a roller coaster of emotions.
If the roller coaster goes down, it goes back up.
You get to know people you wouldn't want to live without today.
Friends that will turn into family at some point.
And collected memories that would last a lifetime. And you were eating ice cream with a beer in your hand at the last competition in Italy.
You also dare to take the big stage and host a rollout together with your bestie Vali. Vali will always support you. You love her.
Leading this team side by side with your best friend of 10 years will be something special on its own. There were also ups and downs with him and many disagreements, but that won't change anything. Family.
And you do it for the car, you do it for the people in the team, and after all you do it for Win Weasel.
The JR24 season was one hell of a ride.
Because you know you are going to dream of the SES. Everybody knows a racing team is not known for good sleeping behavior.
Go to sleep. I'm serious. Go and take a nap.
And you gladly accept the 2 hours of sleep in exchange for collecting unforgettable moments with your loved ones, especially with Klaus. And now, in the 25 season, you'll try everything to make him proud. You can look forward to your first competitions, which are, by the way, absolutely fire.
You'll finally see your first complete endurance in FS Austria. You will experience this in Czech and Italy as well. Even though the cone in Italy apparently fell in love with the JR24 and just didn't want to let go.
We have once again proven the strength of our team, delivered amazing results across the board, and got to celebrate incredible victories like finishing in the 2nd place of the world ranking.
So go out there, be brave, be true, be bold. Always go forward, you have got this. At the end, we win.
Try to stay calm and enjoy the ride.
Everything you get in return for your hard work and dedication is worth it.
Oh, and you'll get a new nickname, reduced to 1 letter. Accepted.
So dear pre-season self, trust your people, embrace the challenge, leave your comfort zone, cherish every moment, and never stop pushing.
You're lucky to be part of this family, and you are going to achieve great things as a team. P2 in the world ranking.
And every crazy moment will be worth it. Enjoy the ride.
But at the end, there's only one piece of advice a weasel will ever need. Never stop pushing.
After all the tears, sweat and pain, last season was perfect in its own kind of way.